paper consists of all about SOX, Sarbanes-Oxley, the requirements, the planning, the methodology, how we go about planning a SOX audit. It talks about that and other financial audit frameworks. Then we move on to the ITGC, which is IT General Controls. As the name suggests, it talks about the fundamentals of IT controls which could be present in the company, which basically support all the business operations of a particular company from the IT perspective. Then we proceed to applied cybersecurity, in which is kind of related to ITGC. It again talks about practices like cyber hygiene, what should be the attitude of an organization when we talk about cybersecurity, as it's certainly become very crucial in the pandemic scenario. Then proceeding on to apply data analytics, there are two parts. One is theoretical part and one is practical part. So the practical part, we work with softwares like Tableau Public and Nine. We also talk about softwares like Access, ACL. We use such tools like data analytics. Then we proceed with the fundamentals of HRM, which is pretty much specified in the name itself. We talk about all the basic concepts which are involved in human resource management. Then there is market credit and operational risk, in which we discuss about all the financial risks like credit risk, interest risk, market risk. We discuss about the topics like securitization, LIBOR, MIBOR, forward, future forward hedging, etc. Then there is regulatory and compliance risk. In this paper, we talk about anti-bribery risks, money laundering risks, and there are a lot of case studies which are discussed in this particular subject. Then there is digitalization, like risk management is evolving. So we do get a heads up on that. What are the current trends? For example, what contributed to the bankruptcy of a major company like Blockbuster, and what actually gave birth to this amazing stage set up by Netflix. So subjects like that, case studies like that are discussed in that subject.